Why hello for people watching this video. Welcome to Nature Balance finale. We have a total of 3 people with mating. Let's see what they're up to. Oh boy, I'm so excited. I hope I win. Hey the contestants. Oh hi host. I'm stuck like this. Are you guys excited for the finale? Yeah, what's the last challenge? I'm glad you asked. It's the finale challenge. Wait. Let's have quiet, man. Nice music. It's so beautiful. Exactly. Here's how it's going to go. You guys will be completing all 4 challenges. What do you mean 4? Oh yeah, last challenge is a float race. You guys will be completing episode 1, 2, and 3 challenge. You can able to, but you cannot skip. Anyways, I'm going to be waiting on finale. See you guys at the last one. See you guys out. We cannot go over there. Guys, look at this. Oh, this is cool. Hey guys. Oh, hi table. What's your challenge? Find me a stick. A nice big one stick. Wow. Well, we cannot find you a stick. Oh. I found one. Good job, you guys. What's episode 2's challenge? What the hell? Okay. You and this. You and this sticker. Come on. Wait a minute. Where's the host? Hey, Bill. Huh? Hi. Oh, it's Tree. Hi, Tree. Hi. You guys need to fix this shell. I cannot fix a shell, but let me try. Yes. Wow, it's kind of windy over here. What? Ah! It takes you down here. Ow! Because I'm stuck. Wait a minute. Can't I just... There you go, it's fixed. Good job. Rocky, you on this boatway. A boatway. Maybe boat. Where's that noise coming from? Whoa, it's actual boats. Now we don't need this anymore. You guys go on the boat. Okay. Let me guess. This is probably take us to a fun challenge. Oh. Hi there, guys. You guys will be playing soccer. Whoever doesn't make the best shot has to do push-ups. Hi, you go first. Need you pull? Okay. Okay, you can go nature pole. Yeah! Wait, what's the feed? It's gone. Absolutely. Oh no, it's a dog! We gotta make sure the dog doesn't get here. But he likes eating me! Dun dun dun! He sees us! What down? Gotta get your ball! dog's all out. The dog's moving. Ball detected. The dog sees the ball. That isn't good. Wait, I got this ball. People have to cross the dog to see us. Oh no, the ball's gone. I'll go get. Whoa. Meow. Okay, gotta make sure, huh? Why do you cover walkie? Go, walkie, go!
Because I was looking at my car.
Get you on stuff! But waste more impact. Okay. Just gotta be very careful. Oh no. The dog is easy going to see me. Come on, huh? No. Phew! That was a close one. Let's go.
Yeah, then I gotta go get some.
Uh-oh. Oh no, my cat sets him too! Ah! What's happening? That was a close one. Hey, let go of me! Come on, where's the last challenge? There it is. That's great, huh? Good. Oh no. Walkie's heading straight to the finish. I have to stop him. Oh goodness. Huh? Oh no, the pieces are actually for him. I can't save the day. Huh? Mom, come back! Hey, you got to go of him. Yeah. They're taking the price of a season. Hey, what gives? Hey, if you want this, you go just go for me. Hey, say this now. No, I have to win this season. Detected. No, they took it again. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah? Why so took you cat? You saved me. You saved me. What the ball is moving. Blaster! Let go! It's time for redemption! Hey, sorry, Walkie, but this is my way. Hey, wait a minute.
She was here the whole day. Now she's leaving. You think it's...
And Walkie wins.
I hope it's good. Bring it in.
I just won. Go we go. Time to go. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching Ninja Bow. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. When you come back. Of course you did listen to me. Huh? Yes, the ball's back. It's so good to see you again. I'm okay. Oh my goodness, I'm okay. I'm okay anyway. Hey.